Hi, I'm Juliet, your favorite photographer and car mechanic. Today is the day when I invite you to my typical picnic after a hard-working day. Let's enjoy it! I have everything prepared. This is my picnic. Here on Canaries, people don't really like to go to fast food for some hamburgers and pizzas. People here prefer basic local food like the bread here. Look, it's typical Canarian bread. It has a little bit of anise seeds inside. It gives it a little bit of special taste. I have here black olives. I have here two kinds of cheese. One is queso de cabra. This is white goat cheese. It is very fresh and tasty. I like it. The other cheese, we call it three heads because it is made of cow milk, goat milk, and sheep milk. So the mix of three of them. And as you can see, there's a little bit different color. It's more yellow and more major. It's good to mix it with sangria. I have here jamón ibérico. This is how you eat it. You don't put it on bread, you don't mix it with anything, you just take it and you eat it. Like this. I love it. So now you take a piece of bread, put it to the red sauce. The red sauce, this is typical for Canaries. Mojo rojo. There is red pepper, a lot of spices, and ton of garlic. Bit of olives. Here I have green sauce. It is called mojo verde, the green sauce. There is a lot of green stuff, I don't know what. A lot of spices and of course tons of garlic. So garlic is absolutely fundamental ingredient in Spanish kitchen. And if you don't eat garlic, so bad luck. You can't live on Canaries. I take one more jamón. This is Iberico jamón from Iberic pigs. They eat some super special food, that's why it's so tasty. And it is absolutely okay to eat garlic when you have a date. The thing is, both of you have to eat garlic, otherwise we have a problem. Goat cheese. It's my favorite one. Here are so many goats, 3 goats walking around. So basic fundamental. Cheers. But remember, don't drink and drive. But I stay here today, so I can empty the bottle. And on my island there are no roads anyway, so that means no rules. I had to interrupt the video because here we eat long, we enjoy it, we take our time. So, and for the dessert, I have local fruits. So I will start with dragon fruit. They grow here literally everywhere. Just peel it off and very tasty. I take one more. This is, by the way, fruit of a cactus. And next time I will show you how to eat a different fruit of a cactus, which is also I have here papaya recipe. Papayas here are very, very, very tasty and sweet. They grow here everywhere. Many people have it just in the garden, can grab it, and I love papayas. Very, very juicy one. Look, when you are mechanic, it's always practical to have a knife with you. It will help you in any kind of situation. And now I will eat bananas. Bananas here, they are very, very special because they are so small. Look, this is very small, but very, very tasty. So the size doesn't matter. It's much more important how tasty, and it is very tasty. I love bananas. It is so practical to have trusty, rusty pickup with me all the time. It's not only a very good work truck, it's also a picnic table, a bed, anything. I love bananas so much that I would take one. Sometimes 2 bananas are better than only one, but it applies only to bananas. But now you know what time it is. It is time to go to the beach. You're still here? I have to go. See you next time. Bye bye. One of my most common questions I get about my beautiful Isuzu is about the printed window pictures, something I love doing on many on my cars. So here is a little episode bonus showing them off. As always, feel free to see more or chat with me on my website or email.